Welcome back to day 7 of our 365-day English challenge. Today, we are going to master 3 must-know words in English: would, could, and should. These words help us express requests, possibilities, advice, and even regrets. If you don't use them correctly, your English might sound unnatural. By the end of this video, you'll be using them like a pro. Plus, I have a fun quiz at the end, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Understanding would is used for polite offers. Hypothetical situations, past habits, examples, polite offers. Would you like some coffee? Would you help me with this? Hypothetical situations, unreal situations, imagination, future possibilities, dreams. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. I would buy a car if I had enough money. Past habits. When I was a kid, I would play outside for hours. My grandfather would tell us stories every night. Imagine you could travel anywhere in the world. Where would you go? Understanding could is used for past ability, possibility, polite requests. Examples, past ability, could is equal to past form of can. When I was younger, I could run 5 miles without stopping. She could swim when she was just 5 years old. Possibility, something might happen, but not sure. It could rain later, so take an umbrella. This new job could be a great opportunity for you. Polite requests, softer than can. Could you please help me? Could I borrow your pen? What is something you could do as a child but can't do now? Let me know in the comments. Understanding should is used for advice, expectations, duty. Examples, giving advice, you should eat more vegetables, you should exercise daily. Expectations, what is likely to happen or be true. The train should arrive at 6 p.m. This should be easy to do. Obligation or duty, we should always respect our elders. What is one thing everyone should do every day? Comment below. Let's bring these words to life with a short story. Last year, I planned a dream vacation to Paris. But guess what? I almost missed my flight. I should have checked my flight time earlier, but I didn't. I could have reached the airport on time, but I got stuck in traffic. I would have missed my flight if my friend hadn't reminded me. Have you ever been in a situation where you should have done something but didn't? Tell me your story. Let's test what you learned today. What word do we use to talk about polite offers? What word do we use for past ability? What word do we use to give advice? When I was a child, I climbed trees very easily. If I were you, I take the job offer. He arrive at 5 p.m. if his flight is on time. We have taken an umbrella. Now we are all wet. Could, would, should you please pass me the salt? You eat more fruits and vegetables for a healthy life. I love to visit Japan someday. Comment the answer below. Great job today. Now, I challenge you to use would, could, and should in real conversations today. Type a sentence using these words in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss day 8 of our 365-day challenge. See you tomorrow and keep learning.